Have you heard of DAX in Power BI? Let's quickly understand what is DAX and why we use it. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. It is the formula language of Power BI, which is very similar to formulas we use in Excel. With DAX, you can create measures like total sales, average sales, or profit margin. You can build calculated columns like profit, and you can work with time intelligence like last month sales, year to date trends, or rolling averages. In Excel, to know the total sales, you can use sum function. Similarly, to calculate average cost, you can use average formula. In Power BI, you can perform all these operations using DAX formulas. The big advantage is that DAX works on large datasets across multiple tables with millions of rows. It helps business to calculate everything for decision making. In next video, I will build our first measures using sum and average. Stay tuned.